Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on Lastpass. Lastpass promises to simplify your digital life with a password manager that creates, stores and also fills strong passwords for you. So every login lives in Lastpass. Let's see what it's all about. Now you have business, you have personal, you also have free trial for all plans available, no credit card required. So what it does, it helps you eliminate password frustration. You put your digital life on autopilot, automate password creation, saving and typing so you can focus on more important tasks. It helps you unlock seamless sharing. Securely share passwords with colleagues or family members with one click to streamline access and collaboration. It also helps you to avoid weak reused passwords. You see, their password manager generates strong, unique passwords for your account and remembers everyone for you, so never get locked out again. Access your passwords from anywhere on your device to ensure you can log into important accounts anywhere. So password management for everyone, individual, families and friends, business owners, business team, business admins. You get access to your password anytime, anywhere. Automatically generate strong, unique passwords for all your accounts to avoid password reuse. Netflix, you can see all the suggestions to tell you that it's weak or strong. Now, you can also use the autofill passwords part, which is to help you to fill your password into forms, so you can log in and check out with just one click. It also stores more than your passwords in your vault. It also helps you store your credit card details, delivery addresses, Wi-Fi details, and documents. So in other words, Lastpass is the place where security meets simplicity. It is easy to use. It is designed for everyone, from tech savvy to newcomers, to make creating, accessing, managing, and sharing passwords simple. It has no hidden cost. With Lastpass, you get a flexible, cost-effective password manager that includes all the features you need to secure your password without any hidden add-ons. Then, security is their priority. So customers, you're gonna feel confident using Lastpass due to its best-in-class security features that protect accounts and passwords against unauthorized access and data breaches. And it's also compliant to your needs, because Lastpass holds many third-party security certificates like all these ones to remain compliant with your customers' security and privacy standards. We are the customers, so we're secured. It's trusted by companies and individuals everywhere. Millions of customers secure your password with Lastpass. You can see them, and we have some real case studies. You can see them. And you can choose the plan that works for you. Try for free, no credit card required. So you have premium plan, we have families plan, with all the things you get under them. You have teams plan, we have scalable business plan, which is also scalable with your business, and it's really affordable. So don't forget that Lastpass is ever evolving. So check out their blog, their resource center for more information, trust centers and newsroom. If you have any questions, you can simply ask by clicking on this chat button here and ask. So password management that makes work and life more secure is Lastpass. Give it a try.